Hi, Natasha here. So these are my tips on how to perfect eyeliner on hooded eyes. First tip, look straight into the mirror, don't close your eyes, and don't lift your eyelid, because when releasing the eyelid, the wing is going to drop and this is not something you want to achieve. Tip number 2, make sure your eyeliner is not too thick. If it's too thick, it will transfer to your upper eyelid. By marking the outer third of the upper lash line and connecting in a straight line with the outer point of your wing, you can ensure the line will stay thin. Continue to stamp with the side of the applicator as close to the lash line as you can. And tip number 3, you have to keep your eyes open when perfecting the tip of the wing.